Hello people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear app cache on Android. So first of all, you have to go to your settings. Now go for apps and notification. Then search for your app. If I choose just this one. Now go for storage and cache. There is no cache. So if I go for this one, is that any cache? Yeah. Then just go for tap on clear cache, and now it's cleared. So yeah, that's how you can clear app caches on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.